Top 5 ways the Metaverse will change the future. With as much publicity as the concept of the Metaverse has received in recent years, it gets one thinking about just how much of an impact this type of technology will have on the future. What will working look like after the Metaverse launches? How will mental health treatment look? There's no debate that the Metaverse will certainly change the way we view the internet and the digital world, but that isn't the only thing that will change as a result. From pioneering mental health treatment to transforming the way we work, the Metaverse is, no doubt, going to turn into something big. In this guide, we're going to discuss the top 5 ways the Metaverse is going to change the future. 1. Pioneering mental health treatment. When it comes to mental health disorders like PTSD and anxiety, the negative thoughts that plague the mind stem from feeling a lack of control. With the Metaverse, patients who suffer from those disorders can comfortably work through their troubles in an environment in which they have total control. Not only that, but the Metaverse can also give them a chance to experience things they may not otherwise be able to do as a result of their mental health struggles. This can be incredibly effective as an immersion therapy tool. For example, if a patient suffers from anxiety around dogs, they can utilize the Metaverse to build up a tolerance. While they may start with a virtual dog, they could eventually work up the nerve to come into contact with a dog in the physical world. 2. Decreasing crime rates. Although there isn't any data yet to back up this claim, it can be inferred that accessibility to the Metaverse can greatly reduce crime rates. Instead of feeling impulsive and breaking the law in the real world, a person can go into a fantasy world where they eliminate the risk of hurting another person by committing a crime in the physical world. In another vein, utilizing the Metaverse within the prison system can positively impact the attitude and demeanor of prison inmates by allowing them to escape from their current situation for a little while. 3. Providing accessibility to entertainment. Another excellent point proving that the Metaverse has the potential to change the future is what the Metaverse means for accessibility. With the ability to attend a virtual concert or educational program, someone that may not have the means to attend in person now has the ability to experience the same thing as others who do. This same sentiment can be applied to virtual tours of natural areas, like the national park system, for example. By accessing the Metaverse, someone with a physical disability would then have the opportunity to hike a trail that may not otherwise be accessible to them. 4. Encouraging socialization. Another great thing about the Metaverse is that it gives people with poor social skills or social anxiety the opportunity to socialize as someone beyond themselves. With an immersive fantasy game, they can play under an entirely different persona to help build their confidence. For a long time there was a stigma around people who spend too much time online. But what those who use that stigma don't know is that a person can obtain and maintain real, genuine friendships with online friends. 5. Transformation in the workplace. As there's no doubt that the Metaverse will change the future, we couldn't finish without including the workplace. With the Metaverse, the way meetings and conferences will be conducted is going to look entirely different than what we're used to. Beyond that, the AR/VR technology used within the Metaverse is going to be used for a variety of training exercises within the military and healthcare fields, amongst other things.